Hey guys, and welcome. Today I'm going to be the Brooklyn Brawler, okay? We're going to make some meatballs over here in my kitchen in Brooklyn. So, come on. No, we're not in Brooklyn. We're in New England. You know, it's cold out, whatever. Today we're going to be making these stuffed meatballs. They're fantastic. And, you know, everybody's going to love them. Absolutely, because, come on. How often do you have stuffed meatballs? And what are we stuffing in with today? Fresh mozzarella. Not that hard shit either. This is fresh. All right? Nice and fresh. We got all fresh ingredients. No, we don't. We have mostly fresh, all fresh ingredients. Today we have, this is actually fresh parsley. It actually, well, it's fresh frozen fresh. This is a little bit of garlic powder. And here's fresh crushed garlic. I actually crushed it myself. It's fresh. Okay? A little bit of olive oil in there. And this is the onion powder. And here we have a little bit of salt and pepper mixed up together. All right? We are going to use 1 part ground beef and 1 part ground veal. The veal will make your meatballs so soft and tender, and it'll be just the right consistency. It's going to be bursting with flavor, guys. I'm so excited. All right, let's dive in. All right, let's try not to get hurt. I gotta go to the hospital already? No. All right. So here we have some. This you can use breadcrumbs. If you do use breadcrumbs, use about a cup of breadcrumbs. Okay. I'm old school. Come on, I gotta use Italian bread. I put them in milk. Okay. When I mix them up, I cut it up. This is dry a little bit. Dry out the bread. You cut it up a little bit and. You put it in the milk and it gets really soft. So when you go to mix the ingredients in there, it'll actually break up and just act as a regular breadcrumb. Okay, so here comes this is the ground veal. And just so you guys know, I don't even know how much this is. You know, I just did a 50-50. So if you use a pound, fine. If you use 2 pounds, fine. Just use, 2 pounds of each. Whatever it is, 50-50 equals 100. Use half of one and half of the other. It doesn't matter how much. Just do it. Okay? Put that in the sink. This in here. Remind me to talk to Frankie. He's got to sharpen these knives a little better. I went to go slice this guy's throat the other day. I had to really get in there and do it really hard. I'm kidding. Come on. The humorous chef. Okay, now, we're going to, you can mix it up now or not. You know what, I'm not going to mix it up now because I don't want to get this stuff all over my hands and then I'm touching everything and it just makes a mess. Okay, 1 egg. You like that, huh? That was one hand. Why? Because I'm good, baby, I'm good. Okay, oh, hold on, one more hand again. Okay, don't you do that because you'll probably get eggshells in there. That's 2 eggs. You're going to use the eggs because you want to help it to keep everything together. It binds everything together. Okay? Now, I'm going to rinse my hands off over here because I skeeve everything, so I got to wash my hands about 50 times a day at least. Okay? Okay. You didn't remind me over there. I got the grated cheese. The grated cheese is so important. So important. All right. Let's do this. All that garlic. My family. Oh, you put too much garlic. Watch this. I'm not going to put too much, I promise. Throw it all in there. Throw it all in there. Nobody cares. Put it in. Tastes good. Okay? More garlic, the better. Especially now it's flu season. This is the onion powder. About a tablespoon. Okay? Put that right in there. Yep. Boom. Put it in. Garlic powder. About a tablespoon. Boom. Put it in. I almost threw the mozzarella in there. All right, this is the salt and pepper. The salt is about a teaspoon. Oh, we're gonna go over that later. I just got a dirty look from the camera lady. That looks good. That's good. Okay, fresh parsley. Boom. Throw it in. Okay. What are we doing with this? We're throwing it in. How much? Whatever looks good. About 1/4 cup. Okay. 1/4 cup. There's all your ingredients. That's all you need. Okay. It's gonna be delicious. delicious. Look at this, delicious. All right, let's mix it all up. A little excited today. I'm the Brooklyn Brawler. I had a little wrestling match today I had to go to. So, you know, I'm a little nuts, a little out of it, you know, a little hyped up, a little juiced up, you know, not juiced up, you know. Speaking of juice, I should have had a nice glass of wine over there. It would be nice. Can you, miss, can you give me a glass of wine, please? No. Okay. No. Okay, look at this. Look at it. Huh? Look at this mixtures. Oh, it's delicious. It actually smells good too. Man. Look, I'm gonna taste this because this just looks delicious. No, I'm not tasting that. What are you out of your mind? It's raw meat, you get sick. Look at that, it's drying right up, sopping all that ingredients, the bread. It's getting everything nice and nice mixture there. Look at that, 50-50, huh? Look at that. These are gonna be the most tenderest balls you ever ate in your life. Okay, look at this. It's like dough. Look at the dough. Big loaf of bread, right? All right, rinse off the hands. The oven is preheated to 400 degrees. Okay, I'm going to spray my Pyrex. Can't put that there, the microphone's in. Okay, just anything you can spray it with, spray it. Don't get nuts, just spray it. Throw it in there. You guys, you want to use a pan with a bit of a higher side because, you know, the grease and stuff that comes out of these, the oils, you don't want them spilling in your oven and starting a fire. Look at that, huh? You stick your finger right there, make a little, you know, a hole for the golf ball. Here, put that right in there. Watch it. Whoop, whoop. Look at that, huh? Puh. Anthony Massaro. Anthony, these are your favorite, huh? These are your favorite. You know these are good. I'm going to save you some. This weekend, come over. What am I talking about? It is a weekend. Come over, you have some. All right? Those are kind of on the big side. We like them. We like them. That a little big. We'll make this one a little smaller. Okay? A little thing in there. Boom. Just put it right in. Then just close it up. Close it up. Make these a little smaller because, you know, well, they're so big. I'm not used to them. You want the small ones, go to Stop and Shop and go get it down the freezer aisle. You get little tiny ones, okay? These are Italian. We're guineas. We like to eat. We want to eat something. We don't want to snack. We want something really, really good and healthy. Not healthy. Well, it's actually not too bad for you. The ground beef was on the lean side, the leaner side. But, okay, guys, so that's basically it. So now when we come back, we're going to have the finished product. We're going to taste them. And you guys are going to love them. Absolutely love them. I promise you. Okay? We'll see you guys in a bit. I'm going to get the rest of these balls together. And when I come back, we'll be taking them out of the oven. All right, guys. We'll see you in a bit. Hey, guys. Welcome back. I think I might smell something pretty damn good going on here. So let's check it out. This aroma is going through the entire house. I just want to let you guys know. Okay, so we've had these actually in here a little longer than I had expected. I'm going to turn this off now. They've been in for 40 minutes okay, here's the deal. It was at 400. I had to kick it up to 425. So 425 for, say, 30, 35 minutes. And here, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Are you sure you're ready? All right, let's do this. Woo, look at those babies. Yeah. All right. These are, oh my God, they smell so good. Whoa. That's some hot ass. Hold on. Yep. Whoa. Okay, you can see where the cheese actually bubbled out of a few of them. Oh man, this is so good. So good. Look at this. I want this little corner one over here. That's what I want. This guy. Look at this cheese. Oh, these smell delicious. Look at that. Look at that, huh? Probably didn't have to put that on there. But okay. Man, that really hurt. Guys, here we go. You ready? Watch, it'll be empty. No. Hold on. No peeking. Oh, man. And there it is. Look at that deliciousness. Look at that. Tell me that your company won't go crazy over these things. So next week, I just want to let you guys know before we head out here. Next week, stay tuned because we're going to be making chicken cutlets. We're going to be frying them up. Okay? Let's taste this. The moment of truth, guys. The moment of truth. Look at that. Oh, man. If it's terrible, I'll tell you it's terrible. But listen, these are Luigi's famous balls, all right? They're not terrible. They're delicious. Let's try them. Those... Excuse me, I gotta have one more bite. Guys, this is fantastic. I hope you guys enjoy it. My friend Freddie, I'm gonna give you another shout out, Freddie Russo. Huh? Look, Freddie, you want some, you better come over soon because they're gonna be disappearing real quick. Oh God. Next week we might have a guest assisting me making the chicken cutlets. His name is Nicky the Fish, okay? You'll see when he gets here. All right, so hopefully he'll be here cooking with me. He loves cutlets. He says he makes the best ones. We'll see. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the show. I know you're gonna enjoy these meatballs. So, bon appetit and stutta bon, my paisans.